Let's draw a free body diagram for the blocks and the massless fixed cable pulley system components. So if we isolate the components, and because the components of the cable and pulley system are massless, then the tensile force in the cable is uniform. And by applying Newton's second law to this pulley, well, the mass of the cable and pulley is 0. So therefore the tensile force in this cable must be equal to the tensile force in the upper cables. And therefore this force on the block is also 2Ft. Now note that these pulleys are fixed, and we've omitted drawing the reaction forces to simplify the free body diagram.